Yes, yo guys, welcome back guys to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to catch boom and crash spikes. Trust me man, what I'm about to show you today is mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing guys. You just need to brace up, sit down, relax and look at this and see how it works. This is a very beautiful strategy, a very effective one that I've been using over time to milk the market. Trust me, a lot of people have been coming in my inbox asking how I do this, and I feel like it's best I just put it out here so that all of this energy, all of those questions coming in my inbox, I can't handle all of them guys. I can't handle all of them. So the very essence of this video is to make you guys see this and get this knowledge for free. So yeah, if you are here for the first time, as I beg of you to just subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop your comments, tell me what you want to learn next, tell me what you want me to talk about next. And then for this strategy man, you just need to be ready with your indicator. The indicator I'm going to use for this strategy is RSI, relative strength index. So this is how you set it up. Look at this guys. You see my period, I leave it at 14. Apply to close. You can, I like to leave it at close. And then my pixel, look at this, my style, I like to leave it at 4 so I can see what's going on here. So guys, this is the most important part, the level. This is level 10. Remember, this is for this is level 10 for boom, and then this is level 90 for crash. The pixel, I always leave it at 4 so I can see everything clearly. My MT5 is dark themed, so for the colors I leave it bright, I leave it at white. So that's it. Soon as you're done with this, you're good. And then we come back here. Trust me guys, this strategy has been effective and has been giving a lot of traders who have been using it, a lot of people who follow me on my social media platforms, who follow me, they see what we do and they see how much we milk the market with this strategy. Trust me, this is mind-blowing. So before we go inside, so please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, like this video and drop your comments. You can also check on the description section and then you find our Telegram channel where a lot of us are there making money together, brainstorming and putting brains together and milking the market together over time. So trust me guys, this strategy is very simple. Before we go deep into this, I need you guys to understand that this strategy is very simple and very effective. How does it work? This is very simple guys. This is very simple. For boom 1000, you just allow, soon as you set your indicator, you just let it, remember, you are supposed to be patient with this market. You are not supposed to chase the market. So you allow your price to come to level 10. Look at this, the price is almost at level 10. Hopefully we are going to catch this spike. Trust me man, you are going to watch this happen. Hopefully, the market is not ours, but then this strategy has been effective over time. So you allow the price to come to level 10, and for me most times I like come a little slightly below this level, and then I go for a buy because I know it's going to come up soon. And then for crash 1000, I'm going to show you that guys, but for this, let's go back in time and see if what I'm talking about is true. Okay, trust me man, the spike is going to happen very soon. Soon as this goes to this level, soon as it goes to level 10 and goes slightly beyond this level, then a spike might happen just immediately. Okay, so guys, check this out. Let's go back in time. Let's back test. This is it. Look at this. Price came here to this level, went slightly below, and then boom. You see this guys? You see what I'm talking about? So this is it. A lot of profit we make from here, man. You make a lot of money from here. I don't want you guys stressing. I don't want anybody stressing to make this profit, So We go back in time again. Price came to this level, broke through this level, went a little slightly below this level, and then there was a little spike. You see that? Let's go back again to this other side. This is it, guys. This is another example yet. Went below this level and boom, there was a spike to the upside. So what are we talking about? This is a very effective strategy, a very beautiful strategy that's been working over time. Okay, we keep going. You see another one here. Price came below this level. You see it came way too down below. What do you do when it happens like this? When price comes below this level and you wait for it for a spike, it doesn't happen immediately. You just allow some candlesticks to count. Allow like 10 candlesticks to count. If you count 10 candlesticks below and price doesn't spike, I advise you to simply just leave the trade. There is always more opportunities waiting for us out there, so you don't force it. Guys. That is what mistake that a lot of traders do. You don't force the market does not. You allow the market to do what it has to do. You wait patiently. Like here right now, price is coming below this level. We expecting a spike here. It's going to happen. Whether it's going to happen, you are going to see it. If it doesn't happen, then it's fine. It's very fine. It's very okay. That doesn't mean your strategy is not, or what you have learned, or doesn't mean your strategy is not effective. Okay, it simply means the market can do whatever it wishes to do, and then at that point, what do? We just leave that particular trade. Just take a little loss, and then you're gone. And how do you know the level of loss you should take? What I do for myself, I count at most 10 candlesticks. Yeah, I count at most 10 candlesticks, and then if the price still comes down, I take my loss and I'm gone. I go look for another one. Trust me, guys, there is a whole lot of others out there. So let's go back and keep testing. Let's go back in time and check how this goes. Look at this. This is amazing. Price came here, went slightly below, and boom, there was a spike. You can see it for yourself, guys. This strategy has worked for me over time. I have made a lot of. Look at this. This is very beautiful. It came down here and boom, there was a spike. Imagine how much money you would make from this trade if you enter this trade from this level. Look at this. So yeah, we keep going, guys. Keep going back in time, and then let's go back, check. Look at that. I missed that. I would have entered that trade. Look at that spike, guys. I told you it's gonna happen. Look at that, bro. This strategy is the bomb, man. It has worked. It has been working over time, and look at that. See how much money. This is where the price is right now. Man. This is crazy. This is the best strategy you ever think of seeing anywhere, man. It's very simple, very effective, and it's been working like that. Look at that, guys. And then for crash, okay, I'm going to make a video for that because I had that interruption. I'm going to make a video for that. Just brace up, listen to this, look at this, and then make sure you understand it very well before you think of entering this trade or entering any trade on this. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do another video. I'm going to do a whole lot of videos teaching you guys these things for free. Subscribe to this channel. Click the like button, drop your comments, tell me what strategy you want me to do for you, man. I am ready. I'm determined to show you guys how I have been making money from the forex market over time. I've been making money trading boom and crash and everything. Just come on the comment section and tell me what you want to know. And also there is our Telegram link will be on the description section. On our Telegram, this is what we do. We just have a lot of people who brainstorm. We are all together brainstorming and making money together, and people coming in and dropping ideas. Everybody is open to drop ideas, so just come in and see what we do out there, man. Peace.